Hey everyone, welcome back. Look at this. MYX Finance has just catapulted in price. You know, a good month or so ago, this coin was pretty much non-existent. You can see actually in June, for example, the market capital of this project was only $10 million. It's now 1.5 billion. Effectively, this coin in 3 months has done 150x, which is absolutely insane. So naturally, I'm not going to buy a coin that was sitting at 5 cents and is now priced at $7.80. But I do want to cover the coin anyway and just take a look at this because I checked out their Twitter. It says trade alpha, permissionless, where the future of perpetuals happens. So it says here, revolutionizing on-chain perpetuals, permissionless, zero slippage, community driven, backed by Sequoia and more. So this is pretty interesting to see. Now, obviously it's pumped massively. And we can see here the inception of MYX was on Binance around June 2025, which is right here. So this is a coin nobody would have been talking about, nobody really would have known about. And it did actually already have a huge pump in August. So some people may have spotted this already do a 2,000% rally. And then from there, it corrected around 56% on its main sort of pump here. Actually corrected down to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement just perfectly. So I want to talk about what I think is going to happen next for this coin and what my strategy around this particular coin might be. But before we do, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video, share with your friends and all that good stuff. Wow, this thing is pumping right now as we talk about it. It's actually going very, very crazy. So $8 right now for MYX Finance, still moving higher on the day, looking crazy. It's up 175% on the day. It's very volatile. It's up 637% on the week. Again, this is a coin I would be pretty careful with. Now we can see, look, they're thrilled to announce the new listing of WLFI. So they're listing a lot of coins. Obviously it's like an exchange sort of thing. They're doing leverage, got low fees. I guess it's going to be a new exchange that's going to try and like conquer the crypto space and make a big name for itself. And it's certainly doing that with the pump that it's doing right now. So what could actually happen in price action? Well, if we look at the Fibonacci retracement, it does assume that we might actually get a pullback. And I'd be personally looking for a similar pullback to last time. Yes, it's less volatile now because the market cap is higher, so we might only correct a little bit less. So around sort of $4.70 to $4 maybe as an entry point I'm going to be looking for to get back into the MYX coin. Because I do think there will be a correction. And the reason is when we look at the relative strength index on the 4-hour time frame, it's overbought like crazy. When we check the 1 day as well, it's also overbought like crazy. And usually when we get these overbought relative strength indexes, you can see each time the RSI correlates with being, overbought, we get these huge pumps. Just like here, and you can see the relative strength index down below highlights the overbought territory, and it's where we're getting these massive rallies. So we are overbought right now. Previously, there were 4 days of green candles, and right now we've got 4 days of green candles as well. So it's hard to say really. It could go higher, but it could also, just settle around $8 and then just slowly pull back like it did last time. So keeping my eyes on the project really, but again, it's hard to be mega bullish on the the coin when it's pumped 100x in 3 months. Now click the website, this is it. It's obviously an exchange, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. UX UI looks fairly standard, nothing too crazy like standing out to me like, oh, I need to get on this exchange. Anyhow guys, please if you are someone looking for a very hot crypto community, Jacob's Crypto Clan is here. That's the Discord channel. You can come say hi, you can join in. You can see a lot of traders are making some big gains and following some of our signals, insights, alpha and analysis. So my Discord is down below, completely free to join. Please have a little look at it. It won't cost you a single penny. What else can we check out quickly? Pepe node lovers. If you like Pepe node, if you're looking for a new meme coin, this mine to earn meme coin has just basically raised nearly $900,000. One Pepe node is 0.00 10491. And you can actually hit buy with crypto. So hit buy with crypto, use some of these different wallets to buy some of the coin. Very nice project. It says earn bonuses and meme coins, airdrops for top miners in Pepe, Fartcoin, and more here. So very cool project, I must admit. Mining is also super simple. You're going to get yourself a server room, you're going to get some nodes, and then you're going to buy your first node, which increases your yield effectively. And then you can combine some nodes together as well. As you see here, you've got these like different nodes here. But in general, it looks really cool. Right now it's in pre-sale. Then it's going to move through to its token generation event, and then the mine to earn game will be fully released. Do check it out, pretty awesome. It's a Pepe alternative pre-sale, and some pre-sales are doing very well at the moment. Link down below. Do some due diligence, but never ever risk more than you can afford to lose, of course, guys. So yeah, looking at MYX Finance, consolidating at this $8 mark. It's crazy. It's volatile for sure. Very, very volatile. But yeah, be careful out there, folks. Don't ape into projects that have just like done this, because it's going to be volatile. There's still pretty much a lot of tokens left to circulate, which will create a token dilution. Not to say there's inflation on the supply, but circulation wise, yes, the emissions will hurt the price, and we don't know when those tokens release. So check the supply schedule. Also, sign up to CaseX if you want an even lower fee exchange. CaseX is a brilliant one for no KYC, globally accessible trading. One of my favorites for doing just trades in general and enjoying the crypto market. So the links are all down below. I want to say thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye-bye.